Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1985 Monte Carlo SS. This does have a replacement engine in it. It's a mid-70s model 350. Runs and drives good. We're in the middle of the test drive right now. I figured I'd try to get away from some of the road noise that's normally in the background of my videos. You can check us out on maplemotors.com. Let me get this magnet tag off of the bumper there. We have a whole classic car lot full of old schools, so definitely check it out. Got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and we can transport these cars anywhere in the country. A lot of people are asking about California. Yes, we transport to California. The transportation company's number is on my website, so definitely check that out at maplemotors.com. We're gonna start up here in the front. Any flaws that I see on this car, you're gonna know about. We like to point all this stuff out so that you know what you're getting before you get here. There is a few chips up in the front. For the most part, this paint job is in pretty good shape. It's got a good shine to it. A few little scrapes, lower part of the bumper. Looks like they tried to touch it up with the wrong color paint there. Zooming in on any little cracks and scratches. Front bumper's the worst part of the whole car because of it's in the front, especially the lower part. And as you look down the sides, the car is very straight. I love the color. Has a few little dimples in the paint on the hood there. I don't know if you can see those or not. There's a little bit up here as well. The tires on this car are in great shape. Practically new. Roof's in good shape as well. Checking the bottoms of the doors. Want to make sure that there's no rust hiding in the lower parts. There is a lot of little scratches and chips. Looks like they've touched up. Few water spots in the trunk could be buffed out. It's so reflective, it's hard to pick up any of those little spots. But I'm trying to let you know that they are there. Dual exhaust out the back. Mild cam in this car as well. We'll be starting it up here in a moment. Few scratches in the back corner here. Before I make it too far, I've got the keys in my hand. We're gonna open the trunk, check it out. Let's see, there we go. The seal looks good all the way around the trunk. I've already got the mat pulled up, checking it out. Pretty solid back here. All right, we'll go ahead and shut it back. Coming on around a little bit more here. Some chips in the back package tray there. few more chips in the door on the edge here. Light scratches around the mirror. Not a perfect paint job, it just looks good. I mean, you're standing back about this far. I guess that's a 5-footer. That's what you'd call it. It's got a really good shine. If you just get real close, you can start seeing little stuff like light scratches. A lot of them light scratches will come out if you buffed it, but with all the chips, might be better off getting a spray. Go ahead and pop the hood real quick. And then we'll hit the interior. We'll check it out, go over everything on it. Like I said, it was a mid-70s 350. Good looking valve covers. Oh, they're Holley valve covers. Looks like they've done the exhaust as well. You can see they took the AC compressor off. They left a lot of the stuff in here. Some of the insulation on the hood looks like it's falling apart, so probably original. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. We'll start it up. Door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping up top, not so much. Down around the bottom of the door, the same thing. It's a little falling apart on the weather stripping. Sorry, I tilted the camera. I was hitting the ground with it. Carpet's in good shape. The seats are a little bit faded. Weather stripping around the windows looks good. It did rain like crazy last night, and the floors are dry, so it's not leaking. Back seat's in great shape here. So that package tray's kind of faded. Headliner's in good shape. It's not tore up at all. Let's take a seat down in here. Start going over some stuff. All right, like we normally do in these videos, we're gonna test the horn out. Y'all got your bets ready? Is the horn gonna work? Not on this one. I think we have 4 in a row that worked until this car. Well, I'm gonna have to turn the steering wheel. I done locked it up doing that. There we go. It's got a small cam in it, sounds pretty good. Brake light's been on this whole time. I've had great brakes. I've checked the fluid. I don't know if it's a sensor or something got disconnected. Got a new dash pad on it. Gauge wise, it needs a new cluster. Hardly anything worked. I'll just tell you what did work. The RPMs. So on the gauges, gonna have to get all those fixed. It's showing 65,000 miles. I can't stand behind that. Motor's been changed out and the gauges don't work, so. Console here, showing some signs of wear. Looks like we got a center cap in there for that back driver wheel. Oh, there's a tip gauge. That's good. Well, we've been doing a test drive this whole time. Just started it back up, and we're still below 180, so that's good. I wonder if this trunk release works. I don't hear it popping, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume it don't. Window wise, the power windows do go up and down. This one here, once it comes to here, it gets stuck. I can go ahead and show you, might as well. So you're coming down, coming back up, it gets stuck. So it does have that issue. This side, you're good to go. On the other one, I'll have to go back over there and help it up. It does go up, so. Tilt does work. Windshield wipers, they do work. Radio cuts on. Got your ashtray down there. Motor's nice and quiet, pretty strong for what it is on the test drive. If you haven't checked the test drive out, check that out for sure. Go ahead and shut the hood back down. Shuts down nice and easy. What I'm going to do now is give you some undercarriage shots. We're going to peek up under the front, the driver's side, and the passenger side. Head on over here to the driver's door. Then to the rear. And to the passenger side. Alright guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, go ahead, give me a call, 615-822-4444. That number is also in the description below. You can check us out, maplemotors.com. Finance options available, transportation options, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And if you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the test drive, which you'll be able to see right here at the bottom right of your screen. You can click it and go straight to the test drive of this car. Definitely watch it if you're interested. Car runs and drives awesome. Do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.